Shahla Shahriar Khan. Ready? Start.
Look, book, king, near, dear, chair, glass, some, table, around, there, where, good.
Ready.
So for the rhyming words, Sayyid Muhammad and Sayyid Muqaddim. These students will come for rhyming words, English games. Now ready for the competition. So the winner is Sayyid Muhammad. Best congratulations.
Look, book, king, near, dear, chair, here, galak, come, some, table, round, there, where, count.
Well. So the rhyming words are there. Rhyming words are needed for poems. When you write the poem, you must know the rhyming words. You must use the rhyming words at the last of the lines. Now after that, we have similar words. Similar words means synonyms. Similar words. For this, Khan Nurish and Malik Amin will come. Start.
Yes? Very good. Winner is Khan Nurish.
Start meeting. House, home, park, quick, big, large.
Third form, little tiny, mouth red. Easy, simple, hard, difficult, and finish.
Again for the similar words, Qadri Ammar and Sayyid Affan will come, this pair. Come on the stage for the similar word games. Camera can capture your faces. Ready? Start. Okay, so our most important guest, our assistant headmaster of Anglo High School, Kamara sir, has arrived. So I request them to come near the dais and take the respected seat here. And I request Ikram sir to give the flowers to Raza sir for coming. So we have similar words. Okay, keep quiet all the boys. In rhyming words, we have Sayyid Muhammad as a winner, then on Nourish for similar words, Qadri Ammar for the similar words. So these are some winners are here. Now opposite word game is here. Opposite word means antonyms. जिसको हम कहते हैं ज़िले विरुद्धार्थी शब्द. तो ये जो opposite होते हैं ये आपको पता होने चाहिए और इसलिए we have a game which is related with the opposite word means antonyms. So the first pair is Sheikh Laiba and Sitar Mahinu and then Quraishi Rayyan and Khan Ismail. So ready for your turn. We will announce your names after some time. After some time we will okay, the camera has captured. Now
Yes, winner is Sultan Mahelo. Very good.
Happy side, yes, no, stand, sit, up, down, come, go, right, left, girl, boy, big, small, in, out, on, out.
Very good, thank you.
pair is the Sitar Mahinu. Now the next pair is Quraishi Rayyan and Khan Ismail. Wait for your turn. Start.
Yes.
And the winner is Khan Smile. Okay, read aloud.
Happy, sad, yes, no, stand, sit, up, down, go, come, right, left, girl, boy, big, small, in, out, on, off.
Really good.
The next game is about the verbs. Jagirdar, Arhana, Arhama, and Padhan, Zubairiya, then Khan Ali Musa and Khan Ashkan is the names of the group. We will announce the names after some time. At that time, these students will appear on the stage.
Well,
See देखना, view देना, take लेना, make बनाना, shoot बंद करना, fly मुस्कुराना, fly घूमना,
Ali Musa,
help
back.
मदद करना, put रखना, stop रोकना.
Start.
come on. Yes. Very good. The winner is Khan Ali Musa.
Okay, congratulations. Ali Musa, read aloud.
प्ले खेलना, किक रखना, कॉल बुलाना, लिसन सुनना, सिंग गाना, बॉल जाना, कट काटना, ड्रिंक पीना, शो दिखाना, स्लिप सुनना.
Pair of homophones will come on the stage. Sutar Zoya and Sayyid Mahinu will come on the stage for their competition for homophones. Now clap for Fayaz sir, the master of Anglo. I will request Ikram sir to facilitate. Channel program. What the program? Now we have homophones. एक आवाज वाले वर्ड्स हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, उनके मीनिंग्स अलग होते हैं। होमो मीन्स सेम आवाज वाले वर्ड्स अलग अलग होते हैं, उनके मीनिंग भी अलग होते हैं, लेकिन वो सुनाई एक जैसे देते हैं। तो अब आपके
Very good. Winner is Sayyid Mahinur. Read aloud.
See, son, no, some, get, H, tell, reach.
Mahinur is the winner. Sutar Zoya also did a good job. Congratulations to all of you. Now the next pair is a Sheikh Saim and Robi Kaf. Come on the stage and ready for the competition. We have the winner, Sheikh Saim. Okay. Congratulations. Read aloud, Saim.
See, some, no, some. Get, H, tell, reach. सी देखा, सी समंदर, सन बेटा, सन सूरज, नो नहीं, नो जानना, सम हिसाब, सम कुछ, गेट हासिल करना, गेट दरवाजा, एज उम्र, एज किनारा, टेल धूम, टेल कहानी, रीच अमीर, रीच पहुंचना।
After this and proper noun, we have three pairs. The first pair is Sayyid Muntasha and Qazi Ummehani. That is Sayyid. Take the cards in your hands. Ready for it? Start. We have the name of the day, name of the month, name of the city.
Yes, Qazi Ummehani is winner. Now read aloud.
Sunday, month June, city Pune, state Maharashtra, flower lotus, country India, fruit mango, vegetable tomato, bird peacock.
The name of the day, the name of the month, the name of the city, the name of the state. state, name of the country, then the flower, name of the flower, then vegetable, and so on, fruits. Second pair, Sayyid Sufyan and Mirza Yasir. Okay, start. Sayyid Sufyan is there. Okay, the winner is Sayyid Sufyan.
Day, Friday, month December, city Mumbai, state Gujarat, country China, flower, rose, fruit, apple, vegetable, potato, bird, parrot.
Only 2 seconds of this common proper noun. Sayyida Umme Ayman and Sayyid Mavish. Your face against the camera, okay? Is the winner? Yes or no? Let us see the Friday, December, Mumbai, Gujarat, China. There, car, rose, apple, potato, bursa. Umme Ayman is your name.
Day, Friday, month December, city Mumbai, state Gujarat, city China, country China, flowers, rose, fruit, apple, vegetable, potato, bird.
Second last pair is the Sayyid Afifa and Sayyid Sawia. Come on the stage quickly. Take the cards in your hands. Sayyid Afifa and Sayyid Sawia for parts of speech. हमें 8 आपको नाउन दिख रहे हैं. अब आपको उसके एग्जाम्पल से start. Is all correct?
Parts of speech. Nouns, food, pronoun she, adjective good, verb run, adverb under, preposition quickly, conjunction but, interjection how.
Very good.
Sheikh Umar and Khatib Ahmed. Okay. The winner is Kartik Ahmed. Well done, Umar also. So read. Ahmed. Read aloud.
Noun, pronoun, be, adjective, from, verb, walk, adverb, slowly, preposition, insect, conjunction and interjection, pronoun.